So hello guys, welcome to my new video. And I thought today to play a game, one more video. I am uploading today another video. In the morning also I have uploaded a video, but in the second video I said that I'll play a game. So now I'm going to play a game. Let's play. Okay, let's play rapid. Oh, we are blacks. Okay, his rating is 1525. So for e4 I'll always go for c5 because I like this opening, and this opening's name is Sicilian. Now okay, I'll play d6. Main idea will be knight f6. If he plays bishop c4, then a6 because bishop, then his bishop will be blocked. But this bishop here, sorry, if he plays bishop over here, then I'll play pawn over here. Idea pawn here, bishop here. If he plays pawn to c4 and his bishop is blocked. But another move, bishop d3. But he didn't play anything from them. Go to knight f6. My idea will be here e6, then bishop e7, then castling. As soon as possible, I said in the morning, rules of castling. As soon as possible, you need to complete the development by doing castling. As soon as possible, you need to do castling everywhere. And my idea is KPC Charan. E6. My idea will be bishop e7 and castling. He'll also play bishop e2, I think. What he's thinking, I'll not move it. But what I'm thinking, he should move. Then only I can win. Yeah, 1525. It is not that easy. Yeah, bishop g. Okay. Bishop g5 is a good move, but bishop e7. Now bishop in 2, and this knight is in the pin. Then I can go knight to c6. But bishop in 2, but he'll not play bishop in 2. If I play h6 also, he'll play bishop to h4, maintaining the spin. But here, if he captures, this knight will be in a pin, but it's not that forceful. Next, we can go for b4 also. And then idea here, knight moves, bishop in 2. Now this okay, good move, but I'll do castling now. He's a move better in development than me because he's white. White should move first, so he'll have an extra development piece. But g6, g3 give me a nice development move. But here he'll compulsorily play bishop over here, because when I play here, then my king side will be opened. Okay, this was a good move. Now play knight to c6. Now my idea will be pawn here, pawn into, and here then double attacking. Tomorrow I'll tell you what is double attack and some things which you learn. Tomorrow I'll tell you about double attack and some other things. Tomorrow I'll show you some games also on champions. Sorry, of champions. Yeah, what I thought he played. Now my idea will be, see, this is the double attack. Attacking 2 pieces. But some more rules are there about double attack, so I'll tell you tomorrow. Yeah, he knew my plan. He should know my plan because he's more high rated. No me. Or else here, instead of capturing, I should have played bishop g4. Just a minute. After this game is fully completed, I'll analyze this. I'll analyze this. My idea. Knight into. Now bishop into rook e1. Idea bishop into. This will be a check. And tomorrow, I have so many topics to tell tomorrow. Pins, double attack, discard attack, skewers, jugjuang, mate in 1, mate in 2. So many topics are there. Oh, he knew this also. It's okay. What's happening now? What should we play? Think bishop to. Think bishop here is a good move, but after pawn h3 we need to go back. Sorry, pawn f3 we need to go back. Now bishop e3, how will it be? Yeah, developing a piece also. Now my development is over and his development is also over. So now I need to attack his pieces. Here, what if just a minute. Here after castling, what if we play here? This is also developing. Then comes knight into d5. Then if I play knight into bishop into d5, this square is also weak. Next he is a pawn up. Then okay, what did he play? Knight e2. Why knight e2? I didn't understand why did he play knight e2. Good. I'll play pawn a3. Idea rook c1. Oh my god. Yeah. Idea rook to c1 and then queen here. Yeah. Now I'll play rook to see. Here, if I didn't play a6 and directly play rook c1, bishop into a7. So I didn't play rook c1 there. Knight f4. So here we play queen c2, and then now if he plays knight into e3, then I'll play pawn into rook here. Then move my bishop to some square, or else he'll play rook into. So I'll play bishop d6, something like that. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and tell what are the best moves and the mistakes I did in this game. In the comment section you need to comment. Yeah, from today I'll on comments. Oh, so compulsorily he'll play rook to e1. My king is becoming, his king is fully guarded. I am attacking on his queen side, and he's trying to attack me on the king side. So when first only I played my pawn to c5, my main idea to attack is to attack on queen side. Oh no, why did he play this? He didn't see this. Now queen into, then I'll play rook into. I'll do live stream after a month, because firstly you need to do 1k subscribers, means 1000 subscribers. Then I'll do my face reveal, and I will also do a live, because till you people will not do 1000 subscribers, I can't do a live. That's the rule of the YouTube community. See, I'll think some moves after queen into rook into. What could he play? Yeah, he didn't play that. I don't think so. Yeah, I'll extend the queen. Now I'll play something like yeah. Now I'll play rook here, but still this is protected, so I can't play that. I need to bring my king now. Why king f2? Sorry, f7. Because to protect this pawn, we can either move the bishop also, but king should also be activated. Means it is not activated still, but just protecting the pawn. Next, I'll play b5. Or rook c2, then idea rook a2. Plenty of options are there. Obviously, he'll play something like rook d2, then rook here, then idea to take this pawn. Yeah, even here, instead of king f7, we could even play rook to c6, but then the bishop means it isn't a pin. Yeah, I thought now his idea will be rook here and then capture. But I'll not let his rook to go here because then rook into bishop. I need to play anything, any best move. Oh, I think here, I think bishop d2 is better because, sorry, bishop d6 is better because rook here and then two pieces are protecting this king and the rook. Next, what is my plan if he plays rook here? Then my plan will be pawn to here, pawn to here, pawn into capture. Then rook here attacking this pawn also. Bishop here also is a move. Nice. By mistake I opened another tab. Anyways, I need to bring my knight over here, double attacking and eliminate this bishop. How to play rook c1? Rook c8 is a good move over here. Let's go down. Yeah, I'm playing in. Okay. Now let's play rook here, exchanging the rooks. If his king was any place over here, then rook into, then double attack would come. Now he'll develop his rook by playing rook to d4. What? If I play rook here, then his pawn is gone. But rook here is not a good move because rook into, then his bishop is gone. See here, you can observe I am having +1. Why? I have an extra pawn. Today only I said you how many points for each piece. But why did he give me a free pawn? Are you thinking that? See, rook into, then retaining this bishop and this. So I wouldn't capture that, I'll capture this pawn. I'm 2 pawns up now. Oh. Now my main idea will be bishop to b. Oh, what did he play? Bishop into d5 check. Okay. Oh my god, his time's up. Only 55 seconds. He need to play faster. Now I'm only one pawn up because here he captured my pawn. When I played g into f6, then he played bishop to d5 check, king g7. Oh. My god, what is this? He played king g2. Why? He's having plenty of options and he's playing this. 2 pawns up again. Now, if my bishop moves from this diagonal, then he'll straight away come to rook e2 double attacking. Now, so I didn't. Oh, my rook gone. Oh my god, he didn't see. It was my mouse click. I was playing rook to e3, but because of mouse click it went. Why didn't he capture my rook? Do you know it? Because after that I'll go to promote my pawns. Yeah, you don't know promoting, right guys? I'll tell that also tomorrow. He'll try to come to rook to c7. So I'll play bishop to d6 and protect this square by instead of coming rook into position. Oh. He's having 15 seconds. Play fast. Can I give him time? Yeah, I can give, but why? Why will we give him? And tomorrow I'll play another game. I'll not talk with you. I'll just show where I am trying to move. I'll not talk in that game because I don't want to talk. Plenty of times. He need to play fast as fast as he can. And now the big debate. At double attacking. I'll play bishop to e5. Yeah, he'll play fast now. Yeah, we won. Okay, let's analyze this game now. Okay, let's go to first. He played e4, c5, knight c3, pawn d6. Okay, just a minute. I'll show you just the blunders he did. This is initially. Actually, he could play better move as this move. He could move that move. Now I'll show you some blunders. Here my blunder. This is my blunder. Bishop d6. I could have played rook here. If this pawn is also gone, rook here, rook into, and then rook into. Now I'm saying this. Here even rook a2 check. Yeah, I thought that he'll play this, but he was having less time, so he didn't play that. Even this was a mouse click for me. Here, what did I try to play? I was trying to play pawn to a5. Then idea pawn to b4. I didn't think that I'll play b5. This is the engine showing the move. But rook a2 check, yeah. Instead of rook a2 check, I was trying to play pawn a5. But what can we do? Okay, that's all for today. And tomorrow I'll tell you about Zhuk and so many are there. So tomorrow also I'll upload 2 videos. And please subscribe, like, share, and in the comment section tell me which topics I should tell to you, and support me. And tomorrow I'll in the second video I'll upload a video which I'll play a game, but I'll not talk in that because every time talking it doesn't mean. Yeah, okay, bye bye. Thank you for watching my video.